Let's discuss part 2 of closure of relations. First, we will discuss symmetric closure. Symmetric closure of a binary relation R on a set A is the smallest symmetric relation on a set A that contains R. It is quite obvious that we are considering symmetric closure, so it means that we are interested in finding the smallest symmetric relation on a set A that contains R. Okay? Symmetric closure on relation R is denoted by Rs plus, and it is nothing but R union with set of all ordered pairs B comma A such that A comma B belong to R. If A comma B is there in R, then B comma A must be included in Rs plus. It is as simple as that. So here is one problem related to symmetric closure. Let R be the relation on the set 0, 1, 2, 3 containing the ordered pairs 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 0, 2, 2 and 3, 0. Find the symmetric closure of R. We are interested in finding the symmetric closure of relation R, which is defined on the set 0, 1, 2, 3, and it consists of these ordered pairs 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 0, 2, 2 and 3, 0. Okay? Let's find out the solution. Here you can see this is our relation which consists of these ordered pairs, and we have set A which consists of these elements. Okay? Again, this is just a letter I have chosen for this particular set. It is up to you that which letter you want to choose for this set. Doesn't matter. I just want to name this set. Okay? Now we are interested in finding the symmetric closure of R. What is symmetric closure of R? Rs plus is nothing but equal to R union with set of all ordered pairs B comma A such that A comma B belong to R. Right? First we must include R in Rs plus. That means we must include all the ordered pairs of R inside Rs plus. So 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 0, 2, 2, 3, 0 must be there in Rs plus. As you can see that 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 0, 2, 2, 3, 0 is there in Rs plus. Apart from this, for every A comma B belong to R, we must include B comma A in this Rs plus. Then only we can say it becomes symmetric relation. Right? We can see that 0, 1 is there in Rs plus, but there is no 1, 0 in this relation. Right? Therefore, 1, 0 must be included. Apart from this, we have 1, 2, but there is no 2, 1. So 2, 1 must be included. We can see that 2, 0 is there in this Rs plus, but there is no 0, 2. So 0, 2 must be included. Apart from this, we have 3, 0. So 0, 3 must be included. Now it is complete. This Rs plus is now complete. And now you can see that this is a symmetric relation. And let me tell you, this is the smallest symmetric relation possible which contains R, right? Let me reorder this once again. So this becomes 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 0. These are all the ordered pairs of Rs plus. This is the smallest symmetric relation on a set A that contains R. Okay? That's it. This is all about symmetric closure. Now we will discuss what is transitive closure. Okay? Transitive closure of a relation R on a set A is the smallest transitive relation on a set A that contains R. Quite obvious, right? Symmetric closure of a binary relation R on a set A is the smallest symmetric relation on a set A that contains R. Right? We know that in case of symmetric closure, we are considering the smallest symmetric relation. Here we must consider smallest transitive relation, right? So transitive closure of a binary relation R on a set A is the smallest transitive relation on a set A that contains R. Transitive closure of a binary relation R is denoted by RT plus, and this must be equal to R union with set of all ordered pairs A comma C such that A comma B belong to R and B comma C belong to R. This is important. If AB belong to R and BC belong to R, then AC must be included in R in order to make that particular relation transitive. Isn't that so? Now, let's just consider one problem related to transitive closure. Let R be the relation on a set 1, 2, 3 containing the ordered pairs 1, 1, 2, 3 and 3, 1. Find the transitive closure of R. We are interested in finding the transitive closure of this relation R, which is defined on set 1, 2, 3. Okay? So we have this relation R which consists of these ordered pairs 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, and we have a set A which consists of these elements 1, 2, 3. We are interested in finding the transitive closure of this particular relation. RT plus is nothing but R union with set of all ordered pairs A comma C such that A comma B belong to R and B comma C belong to R. Okay. We must include R first in RT plus, that is 1 1 2 3 3 1 must be included. Apart from this, you can see that 2 3 is there in R and 3 1 is there in R, but there is no 2 1 in this particular relation. So 2 1 must be included, right? And this is the only ordered pair we have to include in RT plus in order to make this relation transitive. You can check this on your own, right? There are no further possibilities. Therefore, this relation is the smallest transitive relation on a set A that contains R, right? Therefore, this is transitive closure on binary relation R. Isn't that so? That's it. This is all about transitive closure. In this presentation, we have learned what is symmetric closure and what is transitive closure. We have also seen some examples related to them. In the next presentation, we will see some problems related to closure of relations. Okay friends, this is it for now. I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.